This is the nose unblocking or nose opening exercise. You're going to hold your breath. I like to pinch my nose to make sure that I am actually holding my breath and maybe put a piece of tape across my lips as well. And then we're going to hold our breath for up to 30 seconds. After about 30 seconds, you don't quite get as many benefits from this particular exercise. Other exercises you do, but to just unblock the nose, you need to work to hold your breath up until about 30 seconds. So you're going to be rocking your head, holding your breath, and then we're going to catch our breath by breathing through our noses. If you're holding your breath so long that you have to breathe through your mouth, then you've held your breath too long. So we're going to try this. Here we go. Breathe in, breathe out, pinch and rock. The movement here, as taught by Dr. Buteyko, is to distract us from the fact that we are holding our breath, especially since we just breathed out and now we're trying to hold our breath even though we don't have much oxygen left in the lungs. There's tons in the blood. Don't worry, your body's using all the oxygen that's still in the blood. So once you get to about 30 seconds, you're going to release the hand on your nose, but you're going to keep your finger on your lips to remind you to breathe through your nose now. You're going to catch your breath. You want to catch your breath for at least the amount of time that you held your breath. So if you're able to hold your breath for 30 seconds, please catch your breath for 30 seconds through your nose. If you held your breath for just 20 seconds, that's all right for right now, but please catch your breath for at least 20 seconds, maybe a few more. Just make sure your breath is really calm, your shoulders are really still, your body's feeling very, very calm, so that we can prepare to hold our breath and rock our heads again. The nose opening exercise usually takes a few reps to work. This has never not worked for me or any of my patients to get our noses to open if the mucus is what's clogging them. Hold and rock. Please rock your head gently. No need to separate your brain from your brainstem by rocking too hard. But please give this your best effort because it will help you increase your tolerance to carbon dioxide, which will allow you to breathe more gently, even when you're not thinking about your breathing. That's what's so cool about all these breathing exercises, all these exercises with breath holds. You are doing awesome. Keep breathing through your nose. Keep reminding yourself to breathe through your nose if you need that piece of tape or that finger on your lips. Catch your breath fully. Feel really, really calm. Nice easy breath in, easy breath out. Pinch and hold, and rock. We want a healthy level of oxygen and a healthy level of carbon dioxide because the two work together. I know I talk about this all the time, but just as a reminder, when we breathe too much, we breathe out too much carbon dioxide, and then we can't use all the oxygen that we've been breathing. All right, let yourself breathe, catch your breath. Couple of cool things that I have noticed when I am doing breath holds is that my saliva really starts to flow and my hands often get just a little bit warmer. And those are both signs that the vagus nerve has switched from the sympathetic state to a more parasympathetic state. Or in other words, from the fight and flight response to the rest and digest. So when your saliva is going, when your mouth is not dry, but it is wet with saliva, that is a good indication that your digestive system is working well. It is the beginning of your digestion. Make sure you take a nice easy breath in, easy breath out, pinch and hold, and rock. One last note, I often tell my patients who know that they suffer from anxiety to breathe through their noses for a few minutes before they eat anything. If our digestion is not ready to work, then we are more prone to stomach aches. So if we're chewing our food thoroughly, we're breathing through our noses calmly, our digestion is going to work that much better. And it really does help. It's really kind of cool. I've had many patients tell me that they don't suffer from stomach aches because of those two things. You did great. Keep breathing through your nose.